I'm Van with Bekaert. I'm here with Keith today. A while back we were able to shoot a video called My Favorite Fence for you. So today we're going to be out in the field. We've got the fence set up. We want to show you what it looks like installed.
Van, my favorite fence was the 14 gauge Cattleman Pro. And my reasoning behind it was because I helped develop that product. And this is it. When you get out west, you've got a lot of 2-point, very, very strong, no elongation, so it holds up really good against the snow load that they see in the Intermountain regions. It's just a great product, easy to install, one of my favorite fences.
It is, and this is one of the strongest barbed wires on the market too, Keith.
Absolutely.
So it does a really good job holding up the animal pressure, wildlife pressure coming through the fence. Just a really nice fence overall. One of my favorites was the 842. I like to pair it, instead of a barbed wire topper, with a smooth wire electrified, because I do a lot of rotational grazing with my cattle. So with this fence, the 842, we get the benefit of the fixed knot on it. So it's a very strong fence for the cattle pressure. But then with the electric fence on top, it's easy for me to divide my pasture into paddocks. So just a really nice fit for me. It works really well in my application.
Right. And for me, Van, my woven wire was the 949, which is just the 842 plus one wire. And the huge benefit is the continuous stay top to bottom. It makes the fence really rigid. You can stretch that post spacing out a little bit, save yourself a little bit of money on posts, and get an exceptional product.
And both of these come in Bekaert's Bezinal coating too, so it's going to last a really long time. It stands up good to the elements.
Guys, we appreciate it. Next time you have a fencing project, check out fencing.bekaert.com.
For all your fencing needs, remember Bekaert, made in the USA.
Thanks for watching, guys.